Hey guys, we're in my backyard here, and I'm going to show you a little way in which you can use your fingers to play some chords and kind of change it up. Let's start with first off, if you have a guitar, this will work on guitar too. If you have an ukulele, obviously it works great on ukulele. It's your choice. If you're doing this on guitar though, use your highest and second highest, third highest, fourth highest string. So on your guitar, you would want to use your high E, your B, your G, and your D, okay? But for ukulele, we're just going to use the normal 4 strings. Let's start with the basic chord. The basic chord pattern that we're going to use is one that we've done in class a lot, and it's going to be fret 3 on that first string. So let's go ahead and strum that out 4 times just with our thumb. Hit all 4. We're going to go to fret 2 with your middle finger 4 times. Just like in class, we've done this one a lot. Let's go to fret 1 with our first finger, our index finger over here. And I tell you what, the next one we're just going to use 1 finger, but we're going to go to the second string right here. The second string, and we're going to hold down fret 1 right there. It's kind of like an F. So a real F, again guys, if you remember from class, a real F was 2, 0, 1, 0. Okay, we're going to do this little pattern that sounds like this. So now we can all take our thumb and we can all strum down on that. Let's do that again, guys. We'll do that again. And you can pause it at home if you need to practice by yourself. But let's play it with me 4 times straight down. Ready, set, go. Now, what are some ways to make that more interesting? Well, today, guys, I'm going to show you a way that we're going to use our thumb, index, middle. So our thumb, index, middle. And these 2 fingers over here, you do use them for things as well. But for today, we're going to use these 3 fingers. Let's first start off. I'm going to show you guys a pattern. And try to go thumb, middle, index. Thumb, middle, index. Try to do that with me. Ready, go. Thumb, middle, index. 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 What I want you guys to do is take your middle finger and your first finger. You're going to place the middle finger on that first string, okay? And that's going to kind of be the one that we know, where our middle finger goes. And the next one will be our index finger. It's going to go on that second string right there. Now our thumb will kind of work between the bottom 2, okay? But our middle for this pattern is going to always be on the top. Our index for this pattern is always going to be on the second string. Our thumb will rotate the bottom 2. And I'm not going to hold anything down on my left hand over here. I'm just going to keep it open, hold my L. And what I'm going to do is I want you guys to watch my thumb. My thumb is going to go bottom string, then top, then index, then bottom, top, index. So I'm going thumb on the bottom string, middle on the top string, index, then thumb on the second to bottom string, then middle, index. So it goes thumb, middle, index, other thumb string, thumb, middle, index, 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 thumb, middle, index. You can even do this on guitar too. It's a nice little pattern. Okay, now if we can put those chords back to it, the 3, 2, 1, 1, and we get this little sound. Now don't change anything up over here, it's the same pattern. So if you need to pause right now and work on that pattern, do it, okay? Once you have it though, then we'll add this to it. And when we add this to it, this with this is going to sound like this. I speed it up, it's going to be a little bit more like this. And forgive my mistakes, I had a couple in there. You know, I'm not perfect, but no one is. So here we go, I'll do a little quicker. Now if I change that up even more, a little faster. So that's just a way that you guys can kind of make your music interesting. Thumb, middle, index, thumb, middle, index, thumb, middle, index. And you just repeat that pattern. Now you guys can do that with any chords. If you know any song, you can just do that pattern with any of those chords. So it works with a lot of things, and it's a really fun thing to play, and it makes simple things sound really cool and really complicated too. So work on that. That would be like a little pattern number 1 right there to work on with your either guitar or ukulele. Have fun, guys.